Hi viewers, in this video we will explore the various aspects of the craft of growing plants, from selecting the right soil and understanding the importance of light and water, to nurturing seedling and troubleshooting common plant problems. We will cover it all. Join us on this journey as we unveil the secrets to cultivating thriving and vibrant gardens. Number 1. The foundation of successful gardening. Every great garden begins with a strong foundation. To set the stage for success, we need to start with the basics. In this segment, we will discuss the importance of soil composition, pH level, and organic matter. Understanding these fundamental concepts will empower you to create a optimal environment for your plants to thrive. Number 2. Harnessing the power of light and water. Light and water are the lifeblood of plants. In this segment, we will explore the significance of proper lighting condition and watering techniques. From understanding the different lighting requirements of various plant species to implement effective irrigation methods, we will equip you with the knowledge needed to provide your plants with the essential elements they need to grow strong and healthy. Number 3. The journey of seedling. Watching a tiny seed sprout and grow into a flourishing plant is truly a magical experience. In this segment, we will dive into the world of seedlings. We will learn about the importance of germination, transplanting techniques, and the critical role of nurturing. Discover how to give your seedlings the best start in life, ensuring their journey towards maturity is filled with vitality. Number 4. Troubleshooting common plant problems. Even the most skilled gardeners encounter challenges along the way. In this segment, we will address common plant problems and their solutions, from pests and diseases to nutrients deficiencies. We will guide you on identifying and resolving issues that may hinder your plant's growth. Gain the confidence to overcome obstacles and keep your garden thriving. Number 5. Cultivating a garden of creativity. Gardening is not just a science, it's also an art of farm. In this segment, we will explore the creative side of horticultures. From designing stunning landscapes to selecting complementary plant combination, we will inspire you to unleash your creativity and transform your garden into a work of art. Let your imagination flourish alongside your plants. And and there you have it, the art of horticulture, the craft of growing plants. We hope this video has provided you with the valuable insight and inspiration to elevate your gardening skills. Thank you for watching.